The online world can be harsh, and while you've already endured a lot, now it's time to focus on what you can do next. Here's a reality check. In 2023, over 26,000 cases of financial sextortion were reported. That number is staggering, and the trend continues. In this video, we'll go through practical steps to help you avoid future blackmail attempts. By the end, you'll have a set of proven strategies to strengthen your online security and restore your peace of mind. The aftermath of sextortion. Once the chaos fades, it's time to reclaim control, and that's exactly what this is about. Regaining your confidence and rebuilding your sense of safety online is essential. Think of this as your roadmap to moving forward with resilience. Together, we'll turn a painful experience into an opportunity for growth and smarter digital habits. What methods have helped you feel safer online? Share your experiences in the comments below. How to limit your digital footprint. Let's talk about your digital footprint, the trail you leave every time you go online. Being intentional with what you share is the first step towards security. Regularly review your privacy settings, use strong and unique passwords for every platform, and be cautious with unsolicited messages. Setting clear boundaries is one of the best ways to protect your digital identity. Following these steps makes it far more difficult for anyone to access your personal information. And if you want to stay ahead of online threats, subscribe to our channel. We share helpful tutorials, safety guides designed to help you stay protected in today's digital world. We're here to help you every step of the way. Building toward recovery. Recovery takes time, and you don't have to do it alone. Surround yourself with a strong support system of friends, family, or online communities. Consistency is key. Small, steady actions can lead to meaningful change. Find what brings you peace and stay committed to it. The power of sharing your story. Telling your story can be transformative. It not only aids your own healing, but also encourages others to seek help and speak out. When you feel ready, consider connecting with trusted support networks or awareness organizations. Your experience can help others realize they're not alone and empower them to take action. How the Blackmail Helpline helps. At Blackmail Helpline, our mission is to help you regain your peace of mind. We collect evidence and work to hold the perpetrators accountable. It begins with an in-depth consultation to determine the best course of action. Using advanced investigative tools, we can trace the scammer's location and identity, effectively removing their anonymity. We specialize in securing the removal of any compromised material, ensuring the blackmail ends for good. Our cease and desist letters cut off communication entirely, and our detailed reports keep you informed throughout the process. For added protection, our P2 account monitoring service ensures blackmailers can't return. With over a decade of experience and a 95% success rate, our experts are available around the clock. Your first consultation is always free. To get help, call 888-634-1535 or visit blackmail.HelpLine.com. Conclusion. To sum up, strengthen your digital defenses, build supportive relationships, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance when needed. Taking action today can protect you from future threats. Let's stay alert, informed, and connected. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmail.HelpLine.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.